Hello student, welcome to Akshara's Academy. Under partnership firms fundamentals, till now we have seen the format of profit and loss appropriation account and the partner's capital account. Now let's see how to calculate each item under this profit and loss appropriation account and capital account. Let's start with the calculation of salary. So in this video, we are going to see how partner salary is to be calculated. I will teach you this calculation of partner's salary under 4 cases with example. Case 1. Salary paid to Mr. X is 500 PM and Mr. Y is rupees 700 PM. PM means per month. Okay. X is receiving a salary of 500 per month and Y is receiving a salary of 700 per month. We know that our accounting year, it starts from 1st April and ends on 31st March every year. And also a profit and loss appropriation account will be prepared at the end of the accounting year, that is on 31st March every year. See, this salary for X and Y, it is given for 1 month. We need to convert this for 1 year because the profit and loss appropriation account is going to be prepared at the end of the accounting year. Okay, so the solution will be for X, it will be 500. Salary for 1 month is 500. Next, we have to convert it for 12 months, that is for 1 year. So 500 into 12, it will be 6,000. For 1 year, he is receiving 6,000 as a salary. And for Y, it is 700 rupees into 12 months, which is 8,400. So 8,400 is his yearly salary. Okay, so this is case 1. Now let's see how this salary will be posted under the profit and loss appropriation account and its journal entry. Now we need to open profit and loss appropriation account. The columns are on the debit side, particulars, amount, credit side, particulars and amount. Mention the debit side and credit side of the profit and loss appropriation account. Now we need to transfer the salary. So it is written as to partner's salary. Okay. See, this profit and loss appropriation account is prepared from the firm's point of view. So the firm is paying salary to the partners. So it is an expense to the firm. So expense is being debited to this profit and loss appropriation account, since profit and loss appropriation account is a nominal account. So nominal account rule is debit all expenses and losses. So this expense of the firm is being debited. Okay, to partner's salary. X's salary 6,000, it is shown in the inner column. Y's salary 8,400. See, we have converted it for 1 year and shown. Okay, now we had to add it up and show the total in the outer column. Okay, so it is 14,400. We are not closing this account because the other items are not given. Just this item alone is shown here. Now we'll see the journal entry. So the journal entry columns are date, particulars, LF, debit and credit column. Okay, now we have to pass the journal entry. It will be profit and loss appropriation account debtor to X's capital to Y's capital. So we write it as profit and loss appropriation account debtor to X's capital and Y's capital. Against profit and loss appropriation account on the debit column, we will write 14,400. That is the total amount. Okay, against X's capital on the credit column, we will write 6,000, which is his salary. And against Y's capital, we will write his salary, which is 8,400 on the credit column. This is how the salary will be posted under profit and loss appropriation account and the journal entry, which has to be passed for the salary. Now let's see case 2. So case 2 is salary paid to Mr. X is 500 per quarter and Mr. Y is 700 per quarter. So here the salary, it is given for per quarter. Now we have to convert it for 1 year. Okay, so we have to find out how many quarters make 1 year. Okay, so the accounting period, it usually starts on 1st April and ends on 31st March every year. And also the profit and loss appropriation account is prepared at the end of the accounting year, that is 31st March. So this quarter, 1 quarter, it should be converted for 1 year. So let's see how many quarters are there. From April to March, there are 4 quarters. See, first quarter, it is between April, May and June. So 3 months period for 1 quarter. Next, July, August, September, 2nd quarter. October, November, December, 3rd quarter. And 4th quarter, January, February and March. So each quarter has 3 months period. Now we will see how to convert this to 1 year. So the solution is for X, it is 500 into 4 quarters. So for 1 quarter, he is receiving 500 rupees. So for 4 quarters, it will be 2000 rupees. 500 into 4, 2000 rupees. This is his yearly salary. Next for Y, it is 700 rupees for 1 quarter. So we have to multiply by 4 quarters. So 700 into 4, 2800. This is his yearly salary. So this has to be posted to the profit and loss appropriation account. Okay. So it will be written as two partners salary, Mr. X 2000, Y 2800, and this total will be shown on the outer column. So this is the second case. Now let's move on to case 3. Case 3 is salary paid to Mr. X is 20,000 for half yearly. So there may be 2 or more partners, but here X alone is receiving a salary of 20,000 for half year period. We know that the accounting year, it usually starts on 1st April and ends on 31st March every year, and also the profit and loss appropriation account will be prepared at the end of the accounting year, that is on 31st March every year. Now this 20,000 is for half year period. We need to convert it for 1 year. So let's see how many half years make 1 year. See, from April, May, June, July, August until September, it is the first half year. The second half year is between October, November, December, January, February, March. So for half year, he is earning 20,000. So we need to calculate for 1 whole year. Okay, the solution will be 20,000 into 2. 2 means there are 2 half years. We need to multiply by 2, which is 40,000. This is his yearly salary, and this will be shown under the profit and loss appropriation account. So this is case 3. Let's now see the last case, which is case 4. Case 4 is salary paid to Mr. X is 20,000 PA. PA means per annum. For 1 year, he is receiving 20,000 as a salary. Okay. So the accounting period, it starts from 1st April and ends on 31st March. So for 1 whole year, he is getting 20,000. So for 1 year period, his whole salary is given. So we need not do any calculation. So this 20,000, it will be posted directly to the profit and loss appropriation account. So this is the 4th case. These are the maximum number of cases that can be asked under partner's salary, and hope you were able to understand these calculations. Stay tuned with us for further videos. Thank you.